What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Alex, MTV Alex, and today behind me I have my blue Schwinn Axum DP. And the reason I have it behind the bikes, and as you know, I'm trying to sell all my bikes so that I can get something that I want. My wife has already given me the clear to proceed, but I must sell most of my bikes, so this is what I'm trying to do right now. I'm trying to sell this bike as a whole or parting it out, and I got a call from somebody who wants to come and check out the fork and the wheel set. So I'm just gonna start dismantling this thing and hopefully we can make a deal, and I will meanwhile set this up back to stock and see what we can work with. But so far in this video, what I'm gonna be doing right now is just gonna go ahead and get the fork and the wheel sets loose and go from there. If you haven't, please go ahead and consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. If you would like to support this channel, there's a link for you down in the description. Buy me a cup of coffee. And if you haven't seen my other videos, please go ahead and check them out. And other than that, let's go ahead and get started. Well, that's it. I got the fork, wheel set ready to go. Hopefully we can make this deal with the person that's coming in to look at them. I asked him if he wanted to see them installed or taken apart already. He said take them apart because I have another errand to do. So that tells me that hopefully this thing is gonna go today, hopefully for the right price. And meanwhile, what I wanna do to this one is go ahead and put it back kinda closer to stock as possible. I still have the fork. However, I do not have, I have a set of the original bearings because I know I cannot put the original fork on this one, or I might end up putting the fork that is on the taft back on this one and see what happens. But at least for now, I'm keeping the tires because those are always coming handy and they're not that wear off anyway. But for now, that is gonna be it for this one. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I haven't sold any of the other yet as of the making of this video, and we'll see. We'll see. You probably already seen a short about the bike already being dismantled and go from there. But meanwhile, if you like this video or if you didn't like it, just still go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That helps the channel. And if you want to support the channel, there's a link for you down in the description to buy me a cup of coffee if you would like to be part of this channel. And other than that, if you haven't, please subscribe. That is it for this one, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.